It won't go boom in there. I really want a bigger eruption.
I'm sorry about that, love. Just try putting a scoop in. There's plenty of dye in there. Just dump it straight in.
This one is?
Yep. Dump it in.
Dump it. It's gonna erupt. Oh no, it's erupting. Can we do a bigger eruption?
Come on, love.
Daddy, what ingredients would that be?
I'm not a chemist, so I'm not...
Boom! Boom!
Gotta go today.
You've got to do a 5 or a dog or a bone. Okay? Daddy,
What's your pick one?
it's your go next.
Hold on, let me bring this over so we can see what we're doing.
Okay, but Daddy, you're playing right.
I know, I'm going to play.
This is I started, so you've got to
Okay.
match. That's all.
Is that the spares?
Yeah. So that means
So you have to do
that means
dog
I'm gonna go
or 5?
Today,
dog
I'm
or
gonna
5.
sit next to you tonight.
Dog or 5 or bone.
That's a 4.
4 shoe, 4 shoe, 4 shoe. 4 of rabbit. 3 left.
You wanna play one of these?
I don't think you can play any. Right, it's my turn. Okay, so I'm going to put this down. I guess it's 1 of dog. Okay, it's another 1 of dog. Right, your turn, Luna. Have you got a dog? So you can put that on there.
You're getting more. So I need to pick up.
Oh no.
I'm losing.
You're not losing, love. It's just a game.
Oh.
So Luna's played 5 of panda. So I don't have a 5 or a panda, so I'm going to pick up.
I got a 5. An O.
You can play. Luna wins.